This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Underdog status in Brawl Stars. This special status is a fantastic feature designed to balance gameplay and reward players facing tough odds. Essentially, it activates when your team is at a disadvantage, either due to a large trophy difference or playing with a pre-made duo. It's all about making matches fairer and more exciting, ensuring that even when the odds are against you, there's a clear benefit to performing well. To activate Underdog status, there are two main conditions. First, your team's average trophy count needs to be at least 200 trophies lower than the opposing team's average. The game intelligently identifies this disparity. Second, you can trigger it by playing with two teammates who are already grouped as a duo. This ensures that solo players joining a pre-made pair also receive a fair advantage. The rewards for achieving Underdog status are quite significant. If you manage to win an Underdog match, you'll receive an additional 4 to 8 trophies, which is a great boost. Conversely, if you lose, you'll only lose 2 to 4 fewer trophies than usual. This system truly encourages players to embrace challenging matchups, making every game feel more impactful and rewarding for your efforts. To consistently achieve Underdog status, consider queuing with a friend whose trophy count is at least 200 trophies different from yours. Another effective strategy is to join a team where two players are already grouped. Remember, effective communication and adapting your brawler choice to your team's composition are crucial for securing those valuable Underdog wins. Good luck out there, brawlers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.